Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Christmas 2025 is right around the corner, and if you're looking for the perfect gift for the RC enthusiast in your life, or maybe treating yourself, Traxxas has some absolute beasts this year. Today we're counting down the top 5 Traxxas RC cars that deserve a spot under the tree. These are ready-to-run monsters packed with power, durability, and fun. There will be links to all of the vehicles down below in the description so you can check them out. We'll go from number 5 to the ultimate number 1. Let's dive in. Number 5. At number 5, we have the Traxxas XRT. This is the ultimate large-scale, open-wheeled bashing truck. This is a 1/6 scale beast, and it combines the X-Max toughness with the razor-sharp handling. The XRT comes with the reinforced drivetrain and the powerful VXL 8S brushless system, running on 8S lipos for speeds over 60 miles an hour. It's got the belted graphics tires that grip like crazy with no ballooning, a low-profile body for stability, and Traxxas stability management to keep it planted during those insane jumps and high-speed runs. Perfect for the experienced basher who wants big air thrills and race-inspired performances. If you love sending it huge, the XRT is a Christmas winner, but it might be a bit much for beginners due to its size and power. Nevertheless, the reason it is coming in at number 5 today is because it's actually on sale for $899, down from $1,099. So enjoy a $200 discount this Christmas. Number 4. Coming in at number 4, the Traxxas Rustler 4x4 BL2S version. This is a 1/10 scale stadium truck, and it is all about durability, agility, and all-day fun. The new BL2S system delivers up to 60% more speed than brush models, with torque for epic 4-wheel burnouts and lightning acceleration. It comes standard with heavy-duty upgrades for ultimate durability, and a low but wide chassis for sharp handling, and a clipless body for quick swaps. Waterproof electronics mean you can bash in any weather. Great mid-range options, fast enough to thrill adults, but controllable for teens and children as well. Run this thing on a 2S lipo for even more punch. With a price tag of $329, this beast will be a durable truck for beginners and experts. Number 3. Coming in at number 3, we have the Traxxas Sledge. A 1/8 scale brushless monster truck built to hammer everything in its path. With 6S power, belted sledgehammer tires, and a reinforced aluminum composite chassis, this thing is engineered for massive jumps and rough terrain. The clipless body is super tough with rollover protection, and the suspension soaks up those big landings. It's got that perfect balance of monster truck attitude and precise control. This is ideal for bashers who want something tougher than a stadium truck, but not as big as the XRT. With speeds over 60 miles per hour, makes it one of the most instantly fun trucks to own. This amazing machine is also on sale this Christmas for only $649, so enjoy a $150 discount. Number 2. Coming in at number 2 is the Traxxas Bigfoot 2-wheel drive. The original monster truck legend in the RC form, this officially licensed replica captures the classic Bigfoot look with chrome details, massive tires, and of course that iconic body. It's based on the tough Stampede platform with options for brush or BL2S brushless power. The BL2S is the one I will recommend. Easy wheelies, big jumps, and high ground clearance make it perfect for backyard bashing. It is affordable, durable, and nostalgic. Great for kids, for families, or anyone who loves real monster trucks. Waterproof and ready to run right out of the box, this truck has so many aftermarket parts you can use to customize it to your perfect RC. With the price tag of only $249, down from $289, this leaves you room for many Traxxas upgrades. Number 1. The best Traxxas RC car this Christmas is the Traxxas Mini XRT. This compact 1/16 scale beast packs full 10th scale Ballen 3S brushless power with speeds over 55 miles an hour instantly out of the box. That is insane in such a small package. The Mini XRT has low but wide stance for killer stability. It is shaft driven 4x4, and tough components make it a mini version of the big XRT with race truck handling. It is portable, backpackable, and perfect for anywhere bashing. It's fast, durable, and exciting for beginners all the way to pros. If you want maximum fun without needing a huge space, this is the ultimate holiday gift. Coming in at $389, it may seem pricey for a smaller car, But don't worry, the Mini XRT speaks for itself with speed, durability, and the laughs that it will bring. Well, there you have it, my top 5 Traxxas picks for Christmas 2025. From big bashers to mini speed demons, there's something for every budget and skill level here. Which one is going under your tree? There will be links to all of the vehicles down below in the description so you can check them out. Drop a comment below and a like if you're excited for the RC holidays, and subscribe for more reviews and bash sessions. Happy holidays and keep on bashing, brothers.